How to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Google Chrome. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Chrome. The Use Messenger to keep chatting message that pops up when you try to chat on Facebook in your Chrome browser. This can be frustrating. So to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Chrome, first open the Chrome browser on your phone. Navigate to your Facebook account and try to access your messages. You'll likely see the Use Messenger to keep chatting notification. Go back to the Facebook home page. Now look for the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Tap on those three dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you should see an option that says Desktop Site. Look for it and tap on it. This will switch your Chrome browser to display the desktop version of Facebook. With the desktop view enabled, go back to your messages on Facebook. You'll see the familiar chat interface, and you can now chat with your friends and contacts without the Use Messenger to keep chatting message blocking you. By following these steps, you should be able to bypass the Use Messenger to keep chatting message and chat on Facebook directly within your Chrome browser. Hopefully these steps help you fix Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Chrome. And this is how to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Chrome. If you have any questions about Use Messenger to keep chatting problem on Chrome, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.